wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best kegerators. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, a stainless steel countertop with built-in drip trays and drains is one of the features that helps the kegco 2472B stand out from the crowd. Another is its ability to store up to 3 full-size or 11 5-gallon kegs, which makes it suitable for commercial use. It comes with 2 removable shelves, but it doesn't include direct draw hardware, and it costs over $2,000. At number 8, if you don't plan on having huge amounts of beer on tap, the edgestar KC1000 should be on your list. In addition to the Cornelius and 6th barrel formats, it also works with common homebrew kegs, though you will need the right conversion kit. It's equipped with a precise digital thermostat and internal LED lighting. However, it doesn't have any wheels. Coming in at number 7 on our list, a premium option designed for semi-permanent installation, the Kegco KC7000 features an air-cooled tower that ensures cold pints with minimal foam. While most components are high quality, minor parts like screws and gaskets may need to be replaced over time. It's equipped with a reversible door and suitable for outdoor use, but it is relatively expensive. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kegerators, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, produced by a relatively well-known manufacturer, the Kegco HBK309 offers straightforward and reliable temperature control, with a wide enough range to accommodate any type of beer. It can even be set as high as 75 degrees Fahrenheit to serve as a fermentation chamber. It can store up to 3 Cornelius kegs and features a fast-acting deep chill function. However, the included taps are poor quality. Moving up our list to number 5. Capable DIY enthusiasts should consider the Kegco STCK 5T conversion kit, which consists of all the components needed to turn a mini fridge into a beverage dispenser, including a dual-gauge CO2 regulator that measures pressure as well as the level of gas remaining. The tower is air-cooled and the tank is made from an aluminum alloy, but it does require quite a bit of work. At number 4, while it is quite costly, the edgestar KC1500 is built to withstand the environmental changes that come with a covered outdoor bar. Its forced air refrigeration can reliably sustain temperatures ranging from 32 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. It sits atop 4 durable casters and measures about 15 inches wide. It can hold slim quarter barrels. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, able to accommodate a single full-size or 2 1/6 barrels, the edgestar KC2000 is good for those who like a little variety and is moderately priced. It includes a 5-pound CO2 tank with a bracket for external mounting. It's available in black or silver with a 34 to 45 degree temperature range. It's easy to assemble. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kegerators, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, 4 of the most common sizes will fit inside the Frigidaire EFRB 200, which is less expensive than much of the competition. It's just under 2 feet wide and includes a CO2 tank, and its tap is compatible with standard handles. It comes with a dual-gauge regulator, a removable drip tray, and analog cooling control. And taking the top spot on our list, at under $1,000, the edgestar KC3000 is relatively affordable for a unit with such a reliable digital thermostat. It offers a deep chill mode that can bring a warm half-barrel down to a drinkable temperature far quicker than much of the competition. It features a Sankey coupler system and an integrated drip tray. It can accommodate oversized kegs. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kegerators, or simply click beneath this video.